Your dog can't ask for help, but they show it. Refusing food, acting distant, or constant licking isn't normal. You noticing this could change everything. Like this video, subscribe for honest dog care content. When your furry friend seems off, it's crucial to pay attention. Simple changes in behavior can signal underlying issues that need addressing. Ensuring your dog's well-being often starts with being observant and proactive. Creating a safe space for your dog can make a world of difference. Your attention and care can strengthen the bond you share, allowing your pet to feel secure and loved.